पश्चिम सहेलिया पंचम करत श्रृंगार हे गवरी तोड़ी राम कली घेरा मेघ माला हे रूहुरा सच्चा सुर
हम तो बस सुनते जाएंगे. Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you're safe, you're in the safety of your homes, and of course, आप सबने हमारे साथ connect किया है तो उसके लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. My name is Rohini, and on behalf of Amazon Prime Video, I just want to welcome each and every one of you joining on this very, very special virtual press conference. What a fantastic year this has been for Amazon Prime Video. They've been doing a fabulous job of keeping us entertained with some of the best stories and some of the best titles. My personal favorites, 4 More Shots Please Season 2, Patal Lok, Breathe Into the Shadows, and now, of course, we're going to gear up for yet another exciting Amazon original series, jiska naam hai Bandish Bandits. Amazon Prime Video's first ever romantic musical. It has love, it has drama, it has music, and a lot of oomph. I'm sure you'll get to see a lot more jab hum trailer aapko dikhayenge. But before that, of course, I'd like you to come and meet somebody very, very special, the powerhouse behind the amazing originals at Amazon Prime Video, Aparna Purohit, head of India Originals, Amazon Prime Video.
Thank
Hi,
you, Rohini.
Aparna. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
And good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Aparna. I just want to say that Bandish Bandits looks really exciting, and I'm going to do a proper Q&A with you in a little while, but thank you so much for giving us this today.
Bandish Bandits is a very special show for us, in many ways, more than one. It's a story that talks about the conflict between old and new, modern and tradition, classical and pop, discipline and freedom, family and individual. But I think more than any of that, it's a story about love, expression, and music. And when you have really passionate creators like Anand and Amrit, you know that the result will be magical. Amrit and Anand are phenomenal, and this journey has really been like a film, you know, with all the emotions. It had love and anger and tears and music, and finally this amazing show. I would also like to give a big shout out to our cast that has helped us translate the story in the most sensitive way on screen. We have powerhouse performances like Nasir sir, Atul sir, Shiva ma'am, Kunal, Rajesh, Amit, and we are super excited to present to the world our treasured find, Ritwik and Shreya. Finally, the music of Shankar Ehsaan Loy. I think it's an incredible melange of folk and fusion. This is, by the way, the digital debut of my favorite musicians. The song has every mood, every emotion. This moment is truly very, very special for us.
Well, thank you so much, Aparna. And, you know, you just encaptured the entire gamut of talent that is going to be with us on our press conference today. I'll see you back in just a little bit. Lekin jinki baat Aparna ne humse ki, they're absolutely fantastic. Honestly, they are the true bandits of, you know, this entire series. Mr. Amritpal Singh Bindra, creator and producer Bandish Bandits, और इनके साथ होंगे director Bandish Bandits, Anand Tiwari.
Hi Rohini.
Hi guys.
Hi Rohini. Hi Aparna. Thank you for that introduction.
You know, really happy to see you guys. Of course, trailer abhi hum puri duniya ko dikhane wale hain. We'll talk a lot more about the show once the audience watches the trailer. But I just want to get a quick sense from the bandits at the top. Nervous, excited?
I guess a bit of both. You know, it's been as Aparna said, it's been a long journey for us. And you know, we've really enjoyed making this show. There have been lots of roller coasters, ups and downs, but we're really excited today. So yes, there's also relief that the show is finally coming out. There's obviously a lot of excitement for the show because this is such a big show at this scale, the excitement that it's going to go out to 200 countries and so many people are going to get to watch this show. And of course, nervousness, because we really, really hope everyone likes the show and has as much fun with it as much as we had making it.
Anand?
Yeah, just to add to everything that Aparna and Amrit have said, and I think they've captured everything. But just getting the opportunity to work with such a stellar cast. Some of them are here, some of them you will see in the trailer and in the show. Just working with some of the best technicians that are out there, and of course working with Shankar Ahsan Loy has been such a high point for Amrit and I. We've spent 2 years researching, writing, making, and then editing the show and bringing it to you guys. Hope you all like it. And what better day to do it than on Naseer sir's birthday. So here we are.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल. चलिए काम करते हैं. अब जितनी बातें हो रही हैं, जितनी एक्साइटमेंट, जितनी नर्वसनेस चल रही है यहाँ पर, let's put that to rest and actually premiere the trailer of Bandish Bandits, ladies and gentlemen.
कहाँ है वो?
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the singing sensation, Tamanna!
The deal was for 3 hits, darling.
Oh no! मुझे 2 हफ्तों का टाइम दे दो. गाना फ्लॉप हो गया है. I'm so close from living my dream of singing with Queen Ellie. I can't fail right now.
ये म्यूजिक है, शो रही है. इसे छोटे कपड़े पहन के बड़ा स्पीकर लगा के माइक पे गला फाड़ के चिल्लाने से कोई सिंगर नहीं बन जाता.
और अपनी गली में भौंकने से कुत्ता शेर नहीं बन जाता.
मैं संगीत को अपना करियर बनाना चाहता हूँ. मैं पंडित जी की तरह संगीत सम्राट बनना चाहता हूँ.
आज से तुम सिर्फ राठौड़ घराने का संगीत गाओगे.
तमन्ना.
मैं राधे.
तुम ऑसम हो, मैं ऑसम हूँ. तो मेरे अगले गाने के लिए तुम मेरे साथ गाओगे.
मैं नहीं गा सकता.
राधे, अपना टैलेंट वेस्ट मत करो.
मेरा टाइम आएगा.
Your time is now, राधे.
तुम पागल हो.
नहीं, छिछोरी हूँ. I think हमें रोल प्ले करना पड़ेगा to crack this song.
यानी हमें बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड होने की एक्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी.
तुमने किसी लड़की को किस तू?
हाँ. नहीं.
I'll give you the full girlfriend experience.
कंफ्यूजन है भाई. क्या हो तुम लोग? गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड हो, बॉस एम्प्लॉय हो, फ्रेंड्स विद बेनिफिट्स हो, संभोग बडीज हो.
3, 2, 1, म्यूजिक. सजन बिन
India, दिल थाम लो. पहली बार पॉप और क्लासिकल में प्यार होगा और इस प्यार का नाम है Bandish Bandits.
आप मुझे कोई भी सजा दे दीजिए आप.
पश्चाताप गलती के लिए होता है, धोखेबाजी के लिए नहीं.
ये कोलैबोरेशन बहुत ब्यूटीफुल था. हम दोनों को अपने अलग-अलग रास्ते जाना होगा.
Bandish Bandits is over.
ध्यान भटकने मत देना. इस घराने की जिम्मेदारी तुम पर है.
ये घराना मेरा है, उसे तो मैं लेकर आऊंगा.
हीरो बनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे?
नहीं, मैं तो हीरोइन को मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
और अगर वो तुमसे प्यार ना करे तो
थोड़ा चू कट जाएगा.
Woohoo! Coming to us on the 4th of August. Pop और classical का प्यार, ये है Bandish Bandits मेरे यार. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the trailer. A quick announcement for our friends from the media जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for joining us. आपके सवाल जो है kindly chat box में हमें दे दीजिएगा. You can actually start asking your questions right away. There will be a media Q&A in just a little bit, but just in case you want to have a heads up, your name, your publication that you're from, and of course your question and who you'd like to address the question to. अगर ये 4 चीजें आप हमारे लिए कर सकते हैं, while of course I go ahead and introduce this wonderful cast to each and every one of us watching. सबसे पहले एक्टिंग के सरताज तो ये हैं ही, लेकिन बंदिश बैंडिट्स में ये हैं सुरों के सरताज. नसीर साहब, welcome. Happy birthday to you, sir, and thank you so much for joining us.
come to a point where I don't celebrate birthdays anymore. It's a kind of a reminder. So, but anyway, thank you very much for your good wishes.
Thank you so much, Naseer Saab. We'll be back with you in just a little bit. इनके साथ of course हमें कह चुके हैं ये कि ये जहां पर इस वक्त बैठे हैं वहां का इंटरनेट उतना खास नहीं है, लेकिन I'm sure the love will carry him through to us. Atul Kulkarni साहब, नमस्कार and welcome.
Hello, hi, namaskar.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Of course, we'll be back with you in just a little bit. Of course, इनकी जोड़ी जो है, we've already loved them together. मैं बात कर रही हूँ राजेश तेलांग साहब की और इनके साथ हैं शिवा चड्डा जी. Welcome, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए. We'll be back with you very, very soon. Of course, the minute our next guest joins us on the screen, I'm the first one who will actually start laughing. Not because he looks any certain way, but just because he's always made me laugh. And that is the one and only Kunal Roy Kapoor. Oh my God. Thanks, Kunal, for not wearing a mask while showing up. I was really looking forward to that. Thank you for joining me. And
I have it on standby.
I knew it. I absolutely knew it. We'll be back with Kunal in just a little bit, of course. Ab bari hai to introduce the musical maestros behind the beautiful soundtrack of Bandish Bandits. Bandits themselves, ladies and gentlemen, put it up and give it up for Shankar, Ehsan, and Loy. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
बाकी के जितने भी हमारे दोस्त हैं जो इस कॉन्फ्रेंस पर हैं वो सब म्यूट पर हैं, but if I could really tell you right now, they were clapping 9 to the dozen because truly they are our heroes today. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure in now introducing you to the lead pair who are coming to charm you with their talent. Put your hands together wherever you are. Give them all your good wishes. मैं बात कर रही हूँ ऋत्विक भौमिक और श्रेया चौधरी की.
Hi. Thank you for this.
Absolutely fantastic. चलिए अब हमारे bandits आ चुके हैं एक साथ. So I'm going to do a quick little round of question and answers. I'm going to start with you, Aparna. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, Aparna. We saw the trailer and I really want to say that this looks so exciting. You already told us what it is about Bandish Bandits that got you so excited about it. But if you can once again tell us what's unique and different about this show versus the rest of the catalog at Amazon Prime Video.
This is the first show that we're putting out, which is a romantic musical.
Yeah.
I strongly believe it's a show that will connect to everyone, but definitely the youth. I wanted to just share a very quick anecdote. I had reached out to Anand and Amrit many years ago after I'd watched Bang Baja Bharat, because I believe that after a hard day's work, you want to go back to music and romance. So I reached out to them and I told them that why don't you create something magical for us? And the first idea that they talked about was Bandish Bandits. They said music. They said classical versus modern. They said Jodhpur. I said, let's do it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Thank you, Manya. It also seems like, as people who are at some point commissioning the content, I'd like to say that you're not just someone who's on top of this, you're also a fan. Could I say that about this show?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Aparna, for joining us. We'll be back with you in the media Q&A. For right now, could I please have Amritpal Singh joining me on the screen? Hi, Amritpal, welcome.
Hi, Rohini.
यार मुझे बताओ ये जो इसकी जो origin story है मुझे जाननी है. Please, I know you're a great storyteller. Tell us.
Yeah, actually, there's obviously there are a lot of things that resulted in this show.
Yeah.
But actually, there is a very interesting small anecdote where which actually kind of got Anand and me really excited about the original idea of this show, which is something what Aparna's mentioned about new versus old, tradition versus kind of freedom, and the juxtaposition of tradition versus modernity. There is a friend of ours whose father is a very, very established and a very, very good classical musician.
Yeah.
And he told us this anecdote where his father had been working on one rag for 19 years. And after 19 years of working on that rag, he told his son that, I'm now kind of getting it. And it was just that line that kind of blew us away, because in today's world of instant gratification and how everything is so fast and so quick and so fast, this idea just kind of stuck in our heads, and we just never got over this idea. We first little bit laughed at it, then it started growing on us. Then we started saying, man, this is a powerful, inspiring idea. We need to do something with it. So in a sense, if I could pin it down to one thing, I would say this story or this one line by an absolutely amazing artist was what drove us to make this show.
Thank you so much. This is a great story. And कहाँ से कहते हैं ना कि एक ऐसे इंसान आपकी जिंदगी में आपको छू जाए और फिर आपको एक ऐसी कहानी दे जिसके ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा शो जो है या एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी जो है हम उसके बाद लिख सकते हैं और यहाँ तक इसे पहुंचा सकते हैं. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अमृतपाल मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए और ये शो हमें देने के लिए.
Thank you.
At this point, can I please call on the director of Bandish Bandits, Anand Tiwari? Hi, Anand.
Hi.
तुम्हारा जो नाता रहा है म्यूजिक के साथ, I mean, people who know you know that you're a musical guy, you're a musical man. But I think that what we should talk about at this point is that you need others to see that vision too. बहुत जरूरी है कि आपके साथ जो जुड़ते हैं, जो आपके actors हों, जिन पर ये कहानी निर्भर है. I think राधे और तमन्ना, they're very, very, very integral to telling of this story. मुझे बताओ राधे और तमन्ना कैसे मिले?
राधे और तमन्ना the actors या characters?
Characters. उससे पहले no, I think first the characters और उसके बाद the actors.
जी, तो मुझे अमृत को, जैसे अमृत ने ये कहानी बताई, जैसे छुई, एक और चीज जो हमें पूरा टाइम ट्रबल करती रहती है as artist is what is art about? Is art about the discipline of art? Is it about doing art for art's sake, or is it about the exhibition or the presentation of the form? तो ये बात ना हर आर्टिस्ट को, ये जितने भी हमारे एक्टर्स यहाँ बैठे हैं, शंकर हसन लॉय भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, हम सब इससे अग्री करेंगे कि हमें हमेशा ये दो हिस्से एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ पुल करते हैं. और तमन्ना और राधे कहीं ना कहीं इसे एज द स्टेटस को डिफाइन करते हैं. राधे हैज बीन ब्रॉट अप इन अ घराना वेयर उसको कहा जाता है कि अनुशासन ही संगीत है और संगीत ही अनुशासन है. एंड तमन्ना हैज ग्रोन अप टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट when you exhibit your art fulfills itself. It becomes the form it is. और ये दोनों को एक दूसरे से इसे जूझना भी है, एक दूसरे से सीखना भी है, लड़ना भी है, झगड़ना भी है. और जिस प्यार में लड़ाई झगड़ा ना हो, प्यार ही कैसा. तो सबसे पहले तो ये दोनों कैरेक्टर्स वहां से आए. और हमने जब भी रोमांटिक पार्ट्स लिखे हैं अमृत और मैंने, उसमें झगड़ा जरूर लिखा है, क्योंकि हमने जितने रोमांसेस किए हैं, झगड़े के बिना उसमें जो स्वाद है वो नहीं आता. तो वहां से तो कैरेक्टर्स आए राधे और तमन्ना के. और तमन्ना और राधे दी एक्टर्स एक्चुअली केम फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ ऑडिशंस. वी वर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ ग्रेट टीम ऑफ casting bay that helped us with finding, because we were looking at absolutely fresh faces. We were looking at people that did not have any kind of preconceived notion in our heads of who they are as actors. And we were so grateful to find these two after a series of auditions, and thank God for their patience, for sticking with us on that. श्रेया और ऋत्विक इतने कमाल के एक्टर्स हैं, और इतनी यंग एज में वो इतना कुछ अकम्प्लिश करते हुए आप उन्हें खुद देखेंगे. ये मैं खुद ना कहूँ तो बेहतर, या आप खुद उन्हें जब 10 एपिसोड्स देखेंगे. आई जस्ट होप उनके लिए बहुत लंबी हो सक्सेस की सीढ़ी यहाँ से, क्योंकि वो पूरी तरह से डिजर्व करते हैं.
बहुत शुक्रिया आनंद. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड फॉर गिविंग अस दैट ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी. ऑफ कोर्स जिनके बारे में बात हो रही है, I'd love to introduce on the screen once again ऋत्विक एंड श्रेया, हमारे राधे और तमन्ना.
Hi. It's too sweet of Anand to say all.
Yeah, I know. Really overwhelming.
Lots of love first of all आप दोनों के लिए. I know it's a very very special sort of message for each of you. ऋत्विक तुमसे शुरू करते हैं. What is your wish for your character and for the show? मुझे बताओ क्या चाहते हैं.
क्या चाहता हूँ मैं?
जी हाँ.
मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हमने what we found about classical music through this show, what we found about art, what we found about passion that an artist has for his craft and his art, that really, somehow emulates to the screen, and people understand that. And I really want people of my age, in their teens, to really resonate with classical music again, because it's beautiful and it's one of the best things that our country has. And I hope it rises again and people start enjoying it.
That's so beautiful. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Ritvik. This was, it's lovely
Thank you.
when a show that you do actually impacts you as a person. Because जब ये आपको छू जाता है and makes a change within your own personal life, I think that's a big win. So congratulations. I can see that.
Thank you.
Shreya,
Thank you.
hi, welcome.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about the fact that today the trailers drop. People are going to watch it for sure. People are going to share it. Lekin, what has this journey meant to you personally, and perhaps a story about the fact that what's taken for you to get here? It'll be wonderful to hear from you. But
Actually, like Aparna mentioned, she saw Bang Baja Bharat and she contacted Anand and Amrit. What happened with me was that I was at a production house and I met Anand over there, and
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of his because I've seen Bang Baja and all his work. So I went back home and I told my mom that, I really hope I get to work with this director one day. Cut to in 2 months, I got to audition for the show and I was told that, Anand was directing it. And I mean, the rest is history that I got selected, but I just couldn't believe the fact that I was a part of a show that had the kind of cast that it did. It kind of had the makers that were making it, the kind of the music directors that we had that were producing the music, and on the platform that it's reaching 200 countries. Like my brother who's sitting in America, my bua who's in New Zealand can also see my work. So for me, I think that is the biggest dream come true. And I'm just super excited for it to be out and for people to watch it. And it's been such a great journey for us shooting it. I just hope people enjoy it as much watching it.
And Rohini, I'll tell you that both Shreya and I, when we started, both of us had this thing that this is a Destiny's project. Because somehow, if we look back upon how it happened and how we landed this role, and we had met each other briefly long time back also as actors for some project which never worked out.
Didn't work out.
So it was completely a Destiny's project.
Yeah.
For us landing this part and being there. It's fab. It was fab experience.
No,
it's very connected.
Destiny's children we have, of course, with us on the screen at this point, and I do hope कि राधे और तमन्ना की हर एक तमन्ना जो है वो पूरी हो और पहुंचे ऑडियंस तक उसी शिद्दत के साथ जिसके साथ आपने किरदार निभाए हैं. All the best, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, I'm very very excited because I get to see one of my favorite actors on the screen through Bandish Bandits. Of course, अगर आप मुझसे पूछे कि आप ये show क्यों देखेंगे, there's only one reason, and that is Mr. Naseeruddin Shah. Could I please have him on the screen with me, please? Hi, Naseer Sahab. Thank you so much for joining me.
Hello.
Naseer Sahab, as an audience, we're always curious to know, for an actor of your caliber, what is it that excites you to do a project? And let's talk about Bandish Bandits. कि आखिरकार इस project में आप अपना नाम जोड़ने के लिए क्या वजह थी?
मैं instinct पर फैसला करता हूँ. I don't think too deeply. जब मुझे कोई part offer किया जाता है, मैं अपने आप से ये पूछता हूँ कि ये करने को मेरा जी चाह रहा है कि नहीं जी चाह रहा है. It's as simple as that. अब जी किसी भी वजह से चाह सकता है कि पैसे बहुत मिल रहे हैं इसलिए जी चाह सकता है, या स्विट्जरलैंड में शूटिंग होगी इसलिए जी चाह सकता है, या रोल बहुत अच्छा है इसलिए जी चाह सकता है, या डायरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है इसलिए जी चाह सकता है. तो बस मेरा जी चाहा. और मेरे ख्याल से अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट कि आनंद को मैं बहुत पसंद करता हूँ, बोथ एज एन एक्टर एंड एज ए डायरेक्टर. अमृतपाल से मेरी मुलाकात पहली दफा शूटिंग के दौरान हुई, लेकिन मैं इन दोनों के साथ काम करना चाहता था क्योंकि इनका काम मैंने देखा. What interested me was कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है वो प्योरली वाइट नहीं है. मुझे कैरेक्टर्स विद ग्रे शेड्स ज्यादा दिलचस्प लगते हैं. अगर ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा भला दादाजी होता जो हर एक का ख्याल रखता है और एंड में हीरो के लिए अपनी जान दे देता है वगैरह, तो शायद मैं ये रोल ना करता. लेकिन इसमें कई सारे शेड्स हैं इस कैरेक्टर में जो मुझे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगे. और उसके अलावा द चैलेंज ऑफ सिंगिंग, जो कि मेरा बहुत बड़ा बगबेर रहा है. हालांकि ओए ओए अभी तक लोग ट्रैफिक लाइट पे गाते हैं, लेकिन मुझे हमेशा मुश्किल हुई है गाने में स्क्रीन पर, रियल लाइफ में भी।
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
तो उसका एक बैरियर मैंने क्रॉस कर लिया था मिर्जा गालिब के साथ, लेकिन उसमें मैं बिल्कुल बिना हेजिटेशन कहूंगा, उसमें गुलजार भाई की लिखाई का और जगजीत भाई की संगीत का और उनकी आवाज का बहुत बड़ा हाथ था उस किरदार को कामयाब होने में। तो सिमिलरली इस प्रोजेक्ट में भी अगर मेरा अभिनय कामयाब हुआ तो उसका बहुत बड़ा श्रेय शंकर एहसान लॉय को जाता है और पंडित अजय चक्रवर्ती को, जिन्होंने मेरे लिए प्लेबैक किया है। बस यही वजह थी, और काफी मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा सा मेरा एक रत्ती भर ज्ञान क्लासिकल म्यूजिक के बारे में बढ़ गया, इतना जरूर हुआ।
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। And it's so wonderful to actually understand that even somebody like you at this point is looking at all of these processes as what you can take from it and what you can learn from it, and maybe that's why you are you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझसे ज्वाइन करने के लिए आज, and of course we'll be back with you in the Q&A. अब बारी है जिनसे मैं बात करना चाहूंगी, स्क्रीन पर बुलाना चाहूंगी अतुल कुलकर्णी साहब। Could I please have you join me on the screen? आपको डरा दिया है अपने इंटरनेट के बारे में बोल बोल के, मैं तो अभी बस घबरा रही थी कि सर आएंगे कि नहीं मेरे साथ स्क्रीन पर।
अभी आपको पता चलेगा थोड़ी देर में, जब मेरी आवाज सुनाई नहीं देगी आपको।
इससे पहले कि आपकी आवाज जो है वो गायब हो जाए, मुझे बताइए आवाज के बारे में ही बात करते हैं। ये जो आवाज है या फिर ये जो वोकल ट्रेनिंग है, नसीर साहब ने खुद कहा that there's a little bit of knowledge gathering that happens because you're part of a show. मुझे बताइए ये जो वोकल ट्रेनिंग है, क्या आपके लिए भी इस शो के लिए करना पड़ा था?
वोकल ट्रेनिंग से ज्यादा कैसे गाया जाता है उसकी एक्टिंग सीखनी पड़ी। क्योंकि आखिरकार वही थे, क्योंकि मेरे लिए जो गाने वाले थे जिन्होंने गाया है, उनकी तो एक्टिंग करना, सुरों की एक्टिंग करना बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है शंकर जी की। लेकिन जो भी मतलब मैं मेरे चेहरे से कर सकता था उतना करने की कोशिश मैंने की। सुरों की प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो सकती इतनी जल्दी, मुझे नहीं लगता।
ठीक है, तो मैं ये मानूंगी कि बंदिश बैंडिट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करने से शायद कोई गायक ना बन पाए, लेकिन गायक बनने की एक्टिंग जो है ये जरूर हो जाएगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
That's wonderful. Thank you so much Atul ji for joining us, and we'll be back with you जब मीडिया Q&A of course शुरू होगा थोड़ी ही देर में। इस वक्त पर मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी of course राजेश तेलंग साहब और इनके साथ शिबा चड्डा जी को। ये फैब्यूलस जोड़ी जो है ऑलरेडी मिर्जापुर में हमारा दिल जीत चुकी है, लेकिन अब बंदिश बैंडिट्स में ये एक साथ फिर से आ गए हैं। I think it will be great to acknowledge the fact कि ये जोड़ी जो है अब एक साथ ही आएगी क्या नजर?
नहीं, आते रहे, अच्छा है।
Shiba, a big fan of yours. I was just watching Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam the other day. Another similar sort of setting at least, जहाँ पर घर है, घराना है और आप हो। मुझे बताइए कि what is it about your role in this series that you are most excited about?
You just mentioning it in context of that film, at least the pitch in this one is real.
How amazing! How amazing.
So yeah, it's just fabulous again to be a part of something that has classical music in its core. Yeah, it's quite unthinkable in this day and age. I think to get work and content like this to be a part of. It's wonderful. We have grown up with Spick McKay and these kind of organizations in our schools and colleges where we've really seen those ustads, bilkul samne. Or Delhi se, I'm from Delhi, Rajesh is of course from there also, sort of. So Indian classical music and dance has been a very close relationship. So it's just been fantastic to get an opportunity to be a part of a fictional content which has got that at its center. For me, that was a really big draw. Yeah.
I'm really excited to actually watch you on the screen. राजेश जी, अब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि ये जोड़ी इस कहानी में क्या कर रही है, कितना बता सकते हैं आप? ज्यादा नहीं बताएंगे मैं जानती हूँ, लेकिन जो आपके फैन है उनको तो बताइएगा थोड़ा सा।
नहीं, अभी ज्यादा बताना तो फिर वही हो जाएगा ना, स्पॉइलर की तरह से हो जाएगा। लेकिन एज एन एक्टर ये बड़ा मुश्किल होता था ना, शिबा और मेरा जो भी आपसी क्या कहते हैं ना तालमेल है वो ये पति पत्नी का बिल्कुल अलग है मिर्जापुर से। तो वो कई दफा अपने आप को रिमाइंड करवाना पड़ता था बार बार कि नहीं 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 ये वो गणित नहीं है यहाँ पे।
You have to keep reminding yourselves कि अलग शो है लेकिन किरदार भी तो अलग है।
किरदार अलग है।
आपकी जो एक मैं हमेशा मानती हूँ कि हर एक्टर और हर किरदार का एक अलग यूनिवर्स होता है, फैन बेस होता है, and I'm sure for this joint fan base of the two of you, I'm sure the audience is just looking forward to the 4th of August to see कि अब ये पति पत्नी क्या करने वाले हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए, and of course we'll be back with both of you on the press Q&A in just a little bit. और अब बारी है कुणाल रॉय कपूर की। Hi कुणाल, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
You're good. You're fantastic. I like the trailer because the first time you were shown on the trailer, you're already making us feel like it's going to be a character that's going to make us laugh. But at the same time, मैं जानती हूँ कि it is caricaturish of people we might have seen in the industry. बताइए कौन है inspiration आपके किरदार के पीछे? And we want names, okay?
No, I don't know who. I mean, that I think you'd have to ask Anand and Amrit because they designed the character. They wrote this character, and they have a very bad habit of writing these characters who stick in my head also. You know, like it becomes very difficult to get them out of my head, and I also start getting a little bit obsessed with them. So Anand particularly has this habit of writing these very interesting characters that I mean all the characters, but the one that he wrote for me I think is going to stick in my head for a while and hopefully in other people's as well.
Kunal, I want to ask you, what's the most fun thing about making a show with Anand and Amritya?
Well, they're just great guys to work with and to work for because I think it stems from the people that they are, what they find interesting about the world, how they treat people, how they treat the whole unit and the set. And I mean, for me, it's been a great learning experience just watching them work, and a lot to emulate about the way in which they function. So for me, any project that they do, and if they throw a little bone my way, I'm more than happy to bite.
That's wonderful. I can't actually wait to watch how your character unfolds because the trailer, of course, gave us a little inkling of who you might be. But thank you so much for joining me. And without any further ado, at this point, of course, मैं चाहूंगी कि जितने भी दोस्त हैं हमारे मीडिया के वो प्लीज अपने सवाल जो हैं वो चैट बॉक्स में डालें. Once again, before I speak to the musical geniuses behind Bandish Bandit, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप अपने सवाल जो हैं वो जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में डालें. Don't forget to actually address your question to the person you'd like to ask your question to. Please, of course, write your name and please write the publication that you're from as well. At this point, can I please have the bandits, as I call them, who giving us the music behind this wonderful production. मैं चाहूंगी कि स्क्रीन पर आ जाएं हमारे साथ शंकर, एहसान और लॉय. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello Rohini. Hi.
I am fantastic. Thank you so much. Whenever I am, in the middle of launching something and the music is from you, I'm super excited because I know for a fact that now I'm going to have some tunes that I'm going to sing for the next 6 months at least. So बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ये गाने देने के लिए. I'm going to start off, of course, with Shankar sir. And Shankar sir, I want to know for a fact that there is a lead character. We've spoken to all of the cast, but मेरे हिसाब से one of the biggest lead characters in Bandish Bandits is the music. Tell us a little bit about the brief for the score of Bandish Bandits.
Rohini, what happens is when a topic like this, Indian classical music, in a conventional film, if somebody brings up this topic, the first reaction would have been, "Nahi yaar, ye Masi nahi hai, ye Indian classical music hai." So, firstly, I have to really thank Amazon for letting this topic go through, because ours is a country that's got so much music. It's not funny. Ours is the only country that's got 2 forms of classical music in the whole world. Plus there is folk music, plus there is music for everything. बच्चा मरेगा, बच्चा जिंदा होएगा, विधवा होएगा, कोई विदाई है, शादी है, ये है, वो है. There's music for everything, So this was an opportunity which, was a challenge of a lifetime. A few years back, we did a Marathi film which was about classical music called Katyar Kalza Tusli.
Yes.
That was one level. This is 10 levels up because there is, classical music, there is folk music, there's pop music, there's every single form of music that you can think of. I think for us, between the three of us, we pretty much, deal with the entire spectrum of music. So this is totally challenging, totally exciting. And of course, when we have lovely people like Anand and Amrit to work with, it's really, it was a delight. They gave us full freedom and we just went to town.
I love the fact that इस ट्रेलर में भी हमने ये लाइन सुना जहाँ पर कहते हैं कि क्लासिकल और पॉप का एक मिलन है. एंड ऑनेस्टली टू मी, अगर मुझसे कोई कहे कि ये जो मिलन है ये आपने कहाँ देखा था, to me it has always been Shankar Ehsaan Loy. And I'm going to take the next question to Ehsaan for the same reason. Hi Ehsaan.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Tell me the sort of sensibilities that you could bring in. What are the worlds that you've combined in the score?
Well, actually, the soundtrack is really, really very enriched, in terms of even, whether it's the Indian classical stuff, the Rajasthani folk, the pop kind of thing that we put into it. All the tunes, be it any style, are very, very, they've got a lot of depth in their composition. And the casting of all the voices and, everybody who sung, including Ajay Chakravarti sir, Shankar, Shivam Madhavan, Jonita Gandhi, it's very, very beautifully placed into the film, into the series. So I would say that this is probably one of the most, it's really one of the best soundtracks we've done in terms of just its sheer, the kind of range that it covers. And I'll tell you something, I'm going to hand this, this is one thing that I wanted to say actually. We've always, for every film, we've got deliverables, we've got to deliver this, one little background score, I don't think we've had as many deliverables in any project as we've had in this. I'll tell you. And to the point, Shankar is the only guy who was super clear about what is needed. Loy and I were completely out at sea. We don't know what he was talking about. Which bandesh, which tumari, what,
No. The thing is, it was not only about creating songs. Radhe is rehearsing, Tamanna is rehearsing, Atul ji is rehearsing, Nasir sir is rehearsing, uska wo line, I mean, it was unbelievable the way these people knew every little ID that we had to do. ID number 123A, 4456, itna bada number hota tha, we had to create that. Each and everything was pre-created before we could shoot it. It was the biggest challenge, I think, for us.
My God, I actually got a peek into how your files are looking like on your computers.
Yeah.
Loy, at this point, I want to bring you in and ask you if you have a favorite song that I should look forward to, because I always look forward to your musical recommendations.
I think it would be easy when you say song, you normally would say it's the more commercial pop angle of it. But I'll say the classical angle of it for me is the soul of it, because it's from a very deep heritage, right? So and the fact that the story and the premise lets you propel it and reach, and I'm glad it's now on a global platform, with Amazon, so everyone can experience it, and participate in it more than anything else. So
what is really special for me is the fact that I get Shankar Ehsaan Loy's music, booming on my television screen thanks to Amazon Prime Video. And hey, before we go, let's also concede to the fact that this is a really cool band name, na guys, Bandish Bandits. What do you guys think?
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Of course, we'll be back with the press Q&A if there are questions for you. Thank you so much for enriching my chat today.
Thank you.
All right, we have lots of questions coming in, of course, from our audience as well as our friends from the press. Guys, I am super excited at this point to watch Bandish Bandits on the 4th of August. Don't forget, I actually set reminders, but for right now, of course, I have a question coming in from Sonal Pandya from Cinestan.com. ये सवाल जो है आनंद तिवारी और अमृतपाल सिंह बिंद्रा के लिए है. They actually answered this question already, but I guess, Sonal, you joined us a little later. But Anand, आप शायद बता पाएंगे, how did the show originate and how the two of you collaborated to bring this vision to life? So maybe not the origin story, but the collaboration. इसके बारे में शायद आप बात करें इस वक्त.
सबसे पहले तो मैं कहूँगा show originated with a coffee chat with Aparna. जैसे अपर्णा ने कहा, this was the quickest narration we've ever had, and it happens to be our biggest show. अपर्णा की जो clarity थी in terms of seeing the same vision as Amrit and I, we haven't ever had a collaborator like that. So it was amazing how from the word go we hit it off. So as much credit to Aparna as us trying to make this happen. और अमृत और मैं ऐसे मुझे लगता है कभी कभी कि अनआइडेंटिकल ट्विन्स हैं. हम बहुत डिसएग्री भी करते हैं एक दूसरे से, पर एक लेवल का हमारा जो विजन है हमारी किसी भी स्टोरी के लिए बहुत हद तक अलाइन करता है. So as showrunners and director, there was a great amount of respect for each other. नसीर सर अमृत को मेरा फरिश्ता कहते हैं, तो हर शॉट के बाद अमृत मेरे कान में आकर उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देता था, और नसीर सर हमेशा हमें स्माइल करके देखते थे और कहते थे कि देखो फरिश्ता कुछ बोल रहा है. और मैं जीवन में अमृत को मेरा फरिश्ता मानता हूँ, सिर्फ एज अ वर्क पार्टनर नहीं, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ फिलोसोफर, एज अ गाइड. और हम कई हमारे बीच में हमने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए जिसमें मैं कुछ हेड कर रहा था, कुछ अमृत हेड कर रहा था, पर ये बंदिश बैंडिट्स के बहाने 1.5 साल हमने साथ में ऐसे बिताए हैं जो मतलब एकदम बेशकीमती है मेरे लिए.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आनंद हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए. एंड माई बॉदर यू टू कम बैक इफ देयर आर मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ कोर्स. अगले कुछ सवाल जो है वो अपर्णा के लिए है. अपर्णा, वुड यू प्लीज जॉइन मी ऑन द स्क्रीन एट दिस पॉइंट? Of course, Aparna, the first question that comes in is from Kalpesh Raj Kubal. ये महाराष्ट्र टाइम्स से है. ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि in today's date, OTT's main target audience is the youth. At the other hand, do you have any plans to attract the 50+ age audience who are also probably stuck at home and watching with equal excitement?
Actually, that's the beauty of this medium, that we can reach out to everyone and everyone can watch whatever they like in the comforts of their homes, in the comforts of their device. And if you look at our entire repertoire, we have shows in pretty much every genre. In fact, I'd say this is the first one that's specifically for the young adults of the country. So, and not to say that this will not resonate with the others. It will definitely work for everyone. But I think we have a very, very large catalog for everyone.
Fantastic. There's another question for you, Aparna, and the question is, what were determinants to pick up this new genre? Who is the target audience for this show? और ये सवाल जो है, ये गार्गी सरकार से आया है from indiantelevision.com.
The interesting thing is that we don't, at Amazon necessarily need to reach out to just one cohort or, one target audience, because our audiences are spread across the length and breadth of the country, right from Andamans to Kashmir and, everywhere, and every age group is watching our service. So thankfully, the ability to create multiple shows in multiple genres that are not formulaic, that are truly authentic and entrenched in our soil, thankfully we have that liberty. So I'm glad.
Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me, Aparna. At this point, can I please request Ritvik and Shreya to join us on the screen? Hi, Ritvik. Hi, Shreya.
Hi.
Alright, तो ये सवाल जो है ये परमीता उनियाल टॉप लीड इंडिया से है. सवाल ये है कि how different are you guys compared to your characters, and how does your work, with each other, contribute to the chemistry that is looking extremely natural and real in the trailers? Sorry, Ritvik, we might have to actually have you answer that question again, simply because we might have not got your audio at that point.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Now I can. Go for it.
All right, super. So the first question was, how different am I from the character?
Yes.
मैं बहुत ही मैं बॉम्बे में रहने वाला एक लड़का हूँ, living and growing up in the suburbs. और राधे जो है वो राजस्थान के एक शहर से है. Is very deep rooted to Indian traditions, and I'm honestly poles apart from him. In many ways, the way we speak, the way we lead our life. But जैसे I started playing the character, I started understanding and reading and trying to find out who this boy is. I realized there is so much of him in which I never explored. Yeah. There was so many things that he did or he said that resonates with me, and I understand today why that boy does what he does throughout the story. And जितना वो मुझसे अलग है, आज मैं ये काफी कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि ही इज वेरी सिमिलर टू मी टू, and hopefully you'll see what I'm talking about in the show. What was the other question?
Of course, how you guys have worked together on your chemistry, but hang on, I think I want to take that question to Shreya as well. Shreya, I think it's a great question to actually answer. How different are you from your character?
So the first time when I actually read the script and I saw Tamanna in theory, I thought that we were very different. But luckily I had Anand guiding me throughout at every point, and through our workshops, I really realized that there were quite a few things that were very similar in terms of our energy, in terms of Tamanna's passion for her work. And she's very, very focused and very driven, and she knows what she wants from her career. And she's a go-getter, which I felt like, I mean, I kind of somewhere it resonated with me as well. I don't know about how similar or different we are, but I've learned a lot from Tamanna, because, I mean, of course, this character has been created by Anand and Amrit. But, I mean, while playing it, I gave a few attributes of Shreya as well to it. And I realized that Tamanna is such a confident girl, and she's always well turned out. I mean, she's a YouTube pop star, you know, so she really has that responsibility as well. And of course, she's a composer. So there were a lot of things I got to learn from her, and I really keep with me, like, especially the way that her confidence level in herself, in what she does. And even the fact that she's just always well turned out. Like, Shreya would probably be sitting in her room right now without any makeup and a ponytail. So it was really interesting to explore that side. And we shot this for almost a year. So a lot of it really stayed with me. So I actually have a lot of Tamanna in me today by the end of the shoot. And I really hope that people enjoy her entire graph, because it's been a real, like, enjoyable experience for me playing Tamanna as a character.
Thank you. That sounds
But सच बताओ आपको,
so बताओ ना ऋत्विक, बताओ.
Shreya is more Radhe than I am, and I'm more closer to Tamanna in real life. I'm telling you, that's actually the first reaction we had when we read the script. We looked at
where we got to know each other.
You are Radhe. I'm Tamanna. What are we doing?
I think that's fun, because that answers the question ki chemistry kahan se. You know, it's a fun question, but if I was in your place, I wouldn't know really how to answer that. So main aapse puchne wali hu again, you know, the question that's come in, which is, how did you work on your chemistry that comes across as very natural and real? I think, you know, it helps to be friends perhaps, ya phir aap ek dusre ko jante hain. ऐसी कोई चीजें हुई हैं, शायद एक वर्कशॉप हुआ है. It'll be great to know that.
In fact,
chemistry मेरे हिसाब से तो point 2 से था. हाँ बताओ.
So to be honest, the first time when I got to know that, like, Ritwik and I are doing it, I was actually rooting for another friend to get the part, and then Ritwik of course got the part. So I mean, I met him and we I was like, okay, hi, I'm Shreya, and he's like, hi, I'm Ritwik.
Oh my God, Shreya, you said that, and I love
Destiny project.
We met before. We met for another project which didn't go forward.
Work out.
And it didn't work out. And then eventually we got into workshops. So we just literally we really heavily workshopped for this project. And luckily we had Anand who was there through every step of it. And then when I got to know him, there was a point, and you can ask him if I'm lying. I told him, I think mid-shoot, and I said, you know, I'm really happy you're doing this project with me, because we really helped each other in a way, and we really got along as buddies. Our ideologies, our thinking is very similar. What we feel towards our work and our concepts of, you know, method of working, etc., was very similar. So it was nice. We were really it was a really big opportunity for both of us. So we knew what was at stake. And it was nice that we were helping each other through it all. And also he makes a lot of fun of me, so I get really irritated with him. But I think that already helped, that we were just so, you know, open with each other in terms of everything, that, you know, okay, this is my issue, can you help me out here? And he would be like, okay, you know, can we do lines like just before shot? So it's very comfortable. So I think that really helped the two of us. And today we're great friends.
Thank you so much for that, Shreya. There's also a question coming in from this is from Debarati Bhattacharya from Vartaman magazine. Thank you so much, Debarati, for your question. Puchna chahti hai ki how nervous were you, because you are of course working with Naseer Sahab. How was the experience? I think bari agar aap jawab dena chahein.
So you go first.
Okay. Firstly, namaskar from a Bengali magazine. Bong reporting to you. So, how was it working with Naseer sir? It was okay. Firstly, you need to understand this project is the biggest, the best, the happiest thing that's happened to me ever in my entire life. And the icing on that cake was I have looked up to this who's inspired me to do what I'm doing today, who's inspired me to follow up a career in this, in this form of art. And that man is Naseer sir. And the first ever project that I ever get to be a part of, I get to do my digital debut somewhere, and Naseer sir's with me, right there. And when I say Destiny's project, this is what I mean. It's like there's this superpower that's guiding all of it into this show, that's making me feel you're in the right path and the perfect thing that can happen. And I was obviously very nervous. And Naseer sir just looks at me and says, "Shut up, Darryl. What are you nervous about?" But I was so nervous. He told Anand sir that I have to meet him before we go on set, otherwise I won't be able to perform. So then we started doing readings, where he was so sweet, he was so nice, and he was everything that I thought he would be and more. And he guided me through the shoot. No co-actor really has to step out of his or her way and tell you probably this will help you or probably that will help you. But he always did that. He was there. He's guided me through my performance. He's helped me in my scenes. And he's also taken time out to train both of us, Shreya and I. And
Absolutely.
I really can't articulate in words what I do for him. I mean, he's there here today and he's listening to this and he's probably saying "shut up" in his head. But I love it. And it's an honor. It's a blessing.
Yeah,
I'm really, really blessed that I'm alive in the times of Naseeruddin Shah.
That's beautiful. Shreya, क्या आप भी कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
No, absolutely. It was the exact same. Like my response when I was told, like when I got to know I was doing a project with Naseer sir in it, I think I was supremely excited, and I just felt there was that sense of, like when you look back. I mean, when you just look at yourself and you're like, I'm proud of you. I don't know if it's too soon to say that, but I just felt so privileged that I was getting to be a part of a project that sir was doing. And my character doesn't really interact with him much in the show. So luckily, like I didn't have that nervousness issue of doing lines with the Naseeruddin Shah. But it was amazing when he was shooting. I was like around, so I got to like just by observing him. I still remember this one scene that he did, and my mind was blown, and I was like, wow, So I was just being so happy that I was getting to witness the actor performing. Not just see it on screen, but actually see it happening live. So I think I feel so privileged that I have this experience with me.
Thank you so much. At this point, of course, I want to have Naseer Saab on the screen. Naseer Saab, at this point, I'm going to ask you. इन दोनों ने कहा है कि आपका एक अंदाज है shut up कहने का. I'd love to hear it, even if you say it to me right now.
Shut up. But since you've raised this topic,
yeah,
it doesn't please me when young actors say that they're nervous when they're working with me, because I don't think that's a compliment. If my presence disturbs my co-worker, that's not a compliment, and it's not an accomplishment on my part. So I try to somehow help them overcome their nervousness. I don't always succeed. I don't remember ever being nervous in the presence of an actor who I considered, who I liked very much, someone like Mr. Dilip Kumar or Sean Connery or Ashok Kumar, all these veterans who I've also worked with. It was, in fact, a pleasure meeting them, and I hugely admired them all. So if an actor gets nervous in my presence, it's it's not a good thing.
But I was nervous by the idea of you, but after he was in my life, it was smooth sailing.
Okay, right. So I managed. Or chemistry, as I may put in a word about chemistry. How did you create? See, this chemistry business, this is not anything metaphysical. It's just a question of appreciating each other and being helpful to each other as actors. That's all that this chemistry is all about.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Naseer Saab, for taking the time once again and answering our questions on that. I think our last question at this point is for Shankar, Ehsan, and Loy. Nice question actually. Manjusha from Gulf News जानना चाहती हैं कि does one have to be a musical purist to enjoy a project like this as a viewer, or could all of us actually just go along with the ride?
Well, I don't think so. I mean, it's just the music is enjoyable, whether it's classical or, like I said, every form of music that's in the episodes, it's very, very listenable. People will hear stuff that they probably haven't heard before, or not been exposed to, because it goes a little deeper than just classical, about riyaz and about their practice, and what kind of stuff that, musicians may be doing on their own, which people don't get to see, and I think it'll be a very enriching experience for them to, once they watch this.
I think music, it's not pure or impure. Music is only good or bad. So I think we made some good music, and I think everybody will enjoy. Yeah.
Well, that's a fantastic question once again, Manjusha. And we have another question coming in. Lots of publications have asked this question, for the three of you, Shankar, Ehsaan, and Loy. How different is it to actually compose score for a film versus a show versus a web series? You'd be in a better position to answer this.
Well,
sorry.
Composing is pretty much the same. I mean, there might be a few parameters that you need to focus on specifically, because ultimately it's script based, right? But in this case, the music plays. It's almost very close to the narrative in a lot of ways, right? So you have to be a little more into it.
I think basically the deadlines get inflated because of the amount of deliverables. So that gets a little scary.
And one thing exciting is, suppose you're composing something for the first scene of your this particular project, you should keep in mind what's going to happen in the end, So, and that's really far away from where you start off, because it's a long piece of work that you're doing. So it is all interlinked, and you have to remember what you have done, maybe in the first scene as opposed to what is going to come after 7 hours of footage, what's going to come, and vice versa. So that kind of, you have to be very clued in, and the whole music runs through the entire project. So yeah, the focus is. I feel it's slightly more than a film. Yeah.
It's very similar to, I guess, shooting a film, because it's not chronological, right? There's no, you could start with the last scene. You don't have to start with the first scene. Similarly with the music. So what Shankar is saying is right. You have to know the path of the travel of the arrow, so to speak.
इसे हम दूरदृष्टि कह सकते हैं. अगर दूरदृष्टि अगर बनाए तो फिर बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा आए या आनंद आए. आप सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप हमारे साथ आज बने. अपना ट्रेलर जो है ये लॉन्च किया इतने धूमधाम से, और क्योंकि हम वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में हैं, मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि ये जो अनुभव रहा है has been almost as if we have actually been around each other at a venue talking to the press and to the fans. I wish each and every one of you luck with Bandish Bandits once again, and personally I can't wait for the 4th of August to watch this musical sea actually take over. A sea of talent, a sea of, as you say, incredible storytelling. So thank you so much each and every one of you, and all the best for Bandish Bandits. All right, guys, this is me, Rohini, signing out. Don't forget to show all the love, all right? So if you're watching this on Facebook or wherever it is, make sure that you, host a watch party. Iske saath saath, of course, aap trailer ko tweet kariyega. I also want to request our friends from the media to head to the press kit room at this point, because we have things to, of course, share with you. So please do that. And as I said, please, please, please show the show a lot of love through all of your digital hashtagging, and of course, with your share and care. Bye-bye. My name is Rohini. I will see you very soon.
पूरब पश्चिम सहेलिया पंचम करत श्रृंगार